An ABSA bank employee, who allegedly defrauded the bank to the tune of 103 million rand, will appear in the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on Thursday. The police's Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, also known as the Hawks, arrested Xolela Masebeni, a specialist engineer who worked at the bank's Sandton branch, for allegedly stealing 103 million rand from the bank. He allegedly transferred the money into 6 different bank accounts over 4 months between September and December 2021. Masebeni was arrested in Queenstown in the Eastern Cape last week. The Hawks said ABSA reported the matter to the authorities following an internal investigation. After the law enforcement unit arrested Masebeni, he appeared in the Kamani Magistrates Court in Queenstown, where he was remanded in custody pending further investigation. The Hawks said they have not ruled out more arrests on this matter, or bringing additional charges against Masebeni. The matter was transferred to the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court, and is expected to be in court on January 27 for a legal representative and bail application. Please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.